Hello students, I am Others. Now we watching YouTube channel Aware Direction Academy. Now we start function and relation and functions examples. So questions. Let's start. For question number 1, given question, let f such that R to R be defined as fx is equal to 10x plus 7. Find the function here given. F is a mapping from R real number to real number be defined as fx. Some value of fx is equal to 10x plus 7. Now we find the function other mapping g such that real number to real number R to R such that composite function g of f is equal to composite of function f of g is equal to IR, identity of real numbers, which is equal to 1R also. Now let's start solve this question. Solution. Here given that mapping f from R to R, that means real number to real number is defined as fx is equal to 10x plus 7. Now first we check this mapping is 1 or not. First 1 for 1 condition, let fx to different elements x and y. For that we know for 1 fx is equal to fy, where x and y both are the real numbers. That means xy belongs to R. Now we put value in given function, implies that 10x plus 7 is equal to 10y plus 7. Now both sides 7 will be cancelled. Now 10x is equal to 10y. Now we divide 10 both sides, so we get x is equal to y, which is condition for 1 condition. 1 condition if fx is equal to fy, then x is equal to y. It is sufficient condition for 1. So this is given function is 1. Now we check on 2. For on 2, let for y belongs to R, means real numbers, let y is equal to 10x is equal to 10x plus 7. For on 2 condition, we let fx is equal to y. Fx is equal to y, put, then find the value of x in terms of y. So we find that from this y minus 7 is equal to 10x. Now 10 divide in left hand, so we get x is equal to y subtracted by 7 upon 10, which is also a real number. We know that all the value for y, I will also get x is a real number. Therefore, for any y belongs to R, that means y is a real number, there exists this x is equal to y minus 7 upon 10 is also a real number, such that fx is equal to, now we put in the equation value of x, given value of fx, we have 10x plus 7. Now we put value of x, so we put a x in place of x, y minus 7 upon 10, so we get 10 into y minus 7 upon 10 plus 7, 10 cancel by 10, now 10 cancel, now y minus 7 plus 7, so we get is equal to y. So therefore f is 1 1 and on to. Now we get f is 1 1 and on to. Next step, let us define g, therefore now let us define some other function g or function of mapping. Let us define g such that real number to real number, r to r, as gy is equal to y minus 7 upon 10, which is inverse of f. Now we have g of f, composite function g of f x is equal to g over f x is equal to g, put the value of fx, which is 10x plus 7. Now we put our value, this term, in place of y in gy, so we get 10x plus 7 minus 7 upon 10. Now so we get 10x upon 10, which is equal to x. And f of g y, which is equal to f over gy. Now we put value of gy, f of y minus 7 upon 10. Now we put value of in fx, so we get 10 into y minus 7 upon 10 plus 7 is equal to y minus 7 plus 7 which is equal to y. That is, so g of f is equal to IR and f of g is equal to also IR, with which IR means identity map. Hence, required function g such that real number to real number means R to R is defined as gy is equal to y minus 7 upon 10. We hope all students understand